Hi, it's Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team, and welcome to Moments of Joy, our weekly demo series where we show you the best tips and tricks to get the most out of travel joy. And Matt, where are you joining us from today?
Today I am in San Diego for the ASTA conference. So excited to meet so many advisors and suppliers in person, as well as all of our partners that are here. We would love for you to come stop by our trade show booth if you will be here. We're here to answer your questions and show you so many exciting parts of Travel Joy. One of the things I've really enjoyed demoing as we've been going to these conferences is Itinerary Copilot. There are so many things on there that advisors might not realize that Itinerary Copilot can help with.
That's right, Matt. Copilot can do so many things to save you time and streamline your workflow. One of those is the ability to check for errors like typos or inconsistencies within your proposal or itinerary. So I'd like to show you how to use Copilot to avoid any of those tricky mistakes today.
Okay, Caitlin, let's see how it works.
So we're looking at a proposal I created for my client Jane for Paris in the fall. I think this looks pretty good. I'm going to send it off to Jane for approval, but before I do that, I'm going to utilize Copilot to check for any mistakes like typos or errors. I'm going to head over to Copilot on the right-hand side and ask it to find any errors or discrepancies within this proposal. All right, now once Copilot is finished, it's going to give us a list of things we should check. Down here towards the bottom, it lets me know that I have added August 20th through the 26th within our title card, which is incorrect, so I'll need to update that. It also mentions that one of our sections has a typo, so I'm missing an E in September, which we can find underneath September 24th here. It also let me know that one of my activities, Paris at Leisure, is dated for 9/24, and it's underneath the wrong section. So these are all items that I can adjust before sending to my client and giving them a professional and sleek experience on their proposal.
Thank you, Caitlin. That is such an easy, quick way to make sure that your itinerary or proposal looks as professional as it can before you send it to your clients and help you make that sale. Now, the learning is not over yet. We have another workshop this week to help you get a deep dive into a part of the TravelJoy platform. Caitlin, what is the workshop on Thursday?
This workshop is all about groups, so if you work with groups often, you'll want to join. You can find the link to register for this workshop in the description for this video.
If you're going to be at ASTA this week, come say hi. I will be at our trade show booth along with Dio and Marissa from the TravelJoy team. Would love to say hi and answer all the questions you have about TravelJoy. That is it for this week. We will see you next Wednesday.
Fun in San Diego, Matt!